Hey guys, Lauren here. I wanted to share a little bit today about the importance of congruency, how that brings you so much more success in your everyday life, in your relationships, and in your job or your business. There's a thing called the law of attraction, which I think many of us know about these days, and it talks about how the energy you bring to the table is what you're going to get, or what you think about is what you're going to get. But what I have learned through my experience and all of the people that I follow and learn from, all of my mentors, is that there's a special formula to everything, to finding the success that you're looking for, and that's congruency. It is the congruency between the thoughts you're telling yourself and the outlook you're choosing to have on your own life, and the confidence you're allowing yourself to have, whether your outside circumstances reflect what you really want or not. So there's how you are viewing yourself. There's also how you're talking about what you want and what you have to other people. And there's also your actions. And to really complete it, there's also the energy you're bringing behind your actions. So in my experience that I'm finding, when I give myself full permission to own the confidence that I want to portray into the world, and the success that I want to put out to the world and I want to bring back to myself, when I allow myself to really, regardless of what everything looks like around me and in my daily life, really just let myself be happy for myself, and really let myself feel like I am doing a solid job, that brings me this whole different dynamic and this whole different energy to what I'm doing. When I talk about things with people, I used to all the time say, I'm trying to start a business with my wedding photography business. I'm a photographer, and I would bring so much just doubt and low energy to the conversations, because I was always under the impression that I had to be realistic, in that I couldn't be inauthentic. If I wasn't seeing success, then I would be a fraud if I was talking about things as if I was successful. And that never served me, and that was something that I didn't get over until this last year. And once I started finding what was right for me, which is aligned action, which is the third piece, once I started acting on things that really felt good to me and what I wanted, that's when I got that surge of energy, which is the fourth piece, and I was able to talk about things in an authentic way that wasn't oh yeah, I have millions of dollars coming into this business and I have a huge fan base, when no, neither of those things are true. It was just, I'm so excited to be here doing this. My work is really helping a lot of people, and there's a service that I have to bring to people who I genuinely am helping, and I'm helping them connect to themselves, and I'm helping them figure out how to be more successful just by being themselves. And that all is so real and so congruent with what I want for myself and what I tell myself I want for myself. Which, by the way, you can't fake. You can't force yourself to want something you don't want. I have tried that, and it doesn't work. You will fall flat on your face and then get frustrated and say, the world doesn't work for me. But yeah, once I started aligning with myself and choosing myself time and time again, that's when people came into the picture. That's when resources came into the picture. That's when things just started happening around me, and weird occurrences that actually did bring me success. And so I hope that helps you today. Congruency, what you're telling yourself and how you're perceiving the world, what you're telling other people and how you're talking about the world, and your dreams and your success and owning that. The actions that you are taking towards that success, and the energy you're bringing into all of that. I can go into those more at a later date, maybe individually, but I'll keep this short for now. So all good things, guys.